And indeed, it is a great night to grill. Those temperatures are sizzling too. 91 degrees out at Hector, as you see on the bottom of your screen there. Typical heavy traffic at the I-94, I-29 interchange as we head into our Tuesday evening. The heat is on. Here is a look elsewhere as we take a look at your Wheat Fest forecast planner. It's going to be hot out there in Lakes Country as well. As we go into your Wednesday, temperatures climbing well into the mid 80s and, well, even some upper 80s as well. Not expecting a lot in the way of wind, and any storm chances, they look to be fairly small as well. So stay hydrated and enjoy. Let's take a look at the drought update from last week. Notice the yellow, that's abnormally dry conditions across eastern North Dakota, but there's some significant drought, including severe drought in our southern and far eastern counties. Here in the last 2 days, we've had rounds of thunderstorms deliver rain right here and down to the south. So maybe we'll have an opportunity to see some of this improve because there was some locally heavy rain with this, maybe even a little bit of an improvement in parts of eastern North Dakota as we compare where the drought was at its worst and where the rain was at its heaviest. Now look at your current conditions out at Hector. As mentioned, we have that 91-degree mark. That's your high for the day. Calm winds, they're not helping anything out there. So find a fan and a cool beverage or a sprinkler. Run through that. It'll be a great night for that. Here's a look at that satellite radar. A couple of showers and storms in the northwest angle, Roseau County. That's it. Clear otherwise with very light winds. 90 Grand Forks, 85 Thief River Falls. Badette down to Park Rapids, upper 80s. 92 Sisseton Oaks at 90 degrees. Hour by hour forecast shows we'll have the best chance at a couple of showers in our northern counties. I can't rule out a renegade thunderstorm here or there with the heat and humidity. We'll watch them closely, but it looks a lot quieter than the last couple of nights. Overnight, it looks muggy and warm. Temperatures to start your day close to 70 in our southern counties. Now there'll be a stream of clouds working through our southern counties with a little weather disturbance, or weather wiggle, I like to say, down there. As we go through the day, that'll bring a chance for some showers in the central Dakotas. We stay dry through the midday, but in the afternoon we could have some spotty thunderstorms in the forecast. Rumbles of thunder and some hail. That'll be our main concern tomorrow. Tomorrow's wind from the north. That means subtle changes in temperatures. We're going to cool off a whole degree tomorrow. Tomorrow night looks pretty quiet with a sprinkle or two, but there at the Sioux Pass Ranch, things look warm and they look dry. Your planning forecast at Fargo, 69, rising to 90 degrees for your midweek day. North wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. A lot of upper 80s across our region. A few of us peaking at 90 once again. As we take a look at the fields, this is Middle River, as Tina has shared. Drove by a lot of grain, looks very close to being ready to harvest, and that corn looks almost as tall as Hutch. Here's your planning forecast. We cool off a pinch more on Friday. Saturday and Sunday look comfortable, but there'll be a chance of passing showers, well, mostly in the south. That's a tough word for me today. Temperatures near 80 degrees as we go into your second week of August, particularly.
There you go. Nailed it. Way to go, Hutch. The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency says a simple change by each of us could reduce waste and help our neighbors. We'll tell you what that is next.